see how long it takes me to pack for Portland.
And that guy was trying to do some performative shit. Okay, so we just got done with the brothers' rehearsal dinner on the rooftop. Good to see everybody that I saw on the bachelor trip and some family that came into town. But we get to the hotel, unpack everything, and realize that we forgot Clover's crib, her pack and play, in the bathroom of the other hotel. So I am on my way back to downtown Portland to go get it. That's fun. Luckily, it's not too far away, but here we are. Okay, I just got off the wrong exit. All right, guys, it is the morning of the wedding. It's Thursday, and I was just gonna give you a quick little tour of our hotel room because we got a little upgrade here at the DoubleTree. We are staying in Tigard, which is a little bit outside of Portland. It's like 15 minutes to downtown. But a quick recap on yesterday. So flights were delayed like 2 hours, got it like 2:30, and basically rehearsal dinner was at 4. So we had the dilemma of like, can we even go home to the hotel or wherever to change? But we decided we had to go straight there. So we hopped in an Uber, went straight to the venue. We changed in the bathroom there and actually ended up leaving our pack and play in the venue bathroom where we changed. It's insane. got it luckily. Didn't have to spend $200 at Target for a new one. It was fun, yeah. Mainly the bridal party and immediate family. Saw the grandparents, saw some aunts and uncles I haven't seen in a while. Had some good food. It's kind of like a potluck, so people brought in some food that they make, kind of like their homemade meals, and there was some fire food, some Hawaiian, Indonesian food. It was great. Ended up getting home probably like around 10, checked into the hotel. Then I had to go deal with the pack and play debacle. But we asked them to upgrade our room because we wanted to see if there was a room that had the bedroom and then a separate area for Clover so that she could sleep kind of in her own separate area and do whatever without waking her up constantly. So the guy hooked us up, upgraded our room, DoubleTree. I mean, this is luxury at its finest. Let me show you around, guys. Walk in, look at this landing right here. Nice painting, come on guys. And you walk in right to this little kitchenette. This huge floor-to-ceiling mirror. Sick. Here we go, hydration station, mini fridge, microwave. If you want to make some popcorn, some more art. Coffee machine. It's huge. Clover loved just walking around. Here's a little formal living room with a fireplace. Those are just some of the luxuries you can expect at the DoubleTree here. Clover got her little setup right here. Look at that. She's actually sleeping more in the middle of the room, but I just moved it here for the video. TV number one. Here's the bedroom. Sick bed, very comfortable. TV number two. Got this whole entertainment system area. Always gotta love the desk area with a chair. And look at this view. Wow. Got the prison yard view. Dumpsters, alleyway. People pay for this kind of stuff. Popcorn, snacking on that at night. It's gonna be a fun day today. Clover woke up a little early, so we're kind of on the early side of things, but it's all good. Got the wedding later. Gotta grab everyone's tuxes, bring those to all the guys, and then we'll all get ready together, do the rehearsal, and then boom, wedding. Crazy. It's crazy. My wife and I got married about 4 years ago. Quickly it flies by. Is just insane. It's crazy to see my little brother getting married. I got one other younger brother. He's gonna be next, but yeah, it's just insane. But it'll be fun celebrating the bride and groom. I'll get some footage of that and then show you guys the rest of our Portland trip, but should have some sick things to come. I think we're going to the falls tomorrow, so that'll be fun. But peace, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. All right, we are officially on our way to the wedding venue. I am going alone because I am the best man and we're gonna get there early. We're gonna do a rehearsal run through and do some photos. So it's crazy, crazy day. Can't believe it's here.
house, I think. Horsetail Falls, Oregon, right on the gorge. So Clover, hanging out. Yeah, do you want to go down? What happened? You didn't know there was the last step? You did? Wow. Sick. Don't fall in. Next stop, Bonneville Fish Hatchery. We are attempting to find the lounge, but it is super far. It's in the other concourse than us, so good luck. so nice. Portland gear. Sizzle pie. How does it work out? Wow. We are in. Wow. Hi, Clover. Guys, we are back in the 602. Made it home to Phoenix. Trip went really well. We had a great time. It was so good seeing all the family. Wedding went perfect. Clover did really well on the plane, so that was a plus. Excited to be back. I appreciate you guys watching this so far and following along. If you want to, please like and subscribe. I appreciate the engagement. What is it? Is that good? But the Dad 50 challenge, again, it's coming out in about a week and a half or so, and that's going to be the first 25 days. So I'm excited to show you guys the results, see how it's going so far. You know, if I stuck to it, we will find out. Appreciate it, guys. Peace. We'll see you next weekend. Bye.